Elevate your business marketing with T-Rex QR, the ultimate QR code generator. Our unique features, including animated QR codes and video conversion, will help you stand out in the market. As an affiliate, enjoy subscription offer and access to a new customer base with marketing support and training provided. T-Rex QR allows you to create QR codes that come to life with animation, making them more engaging and memorable for your customers. Transform your videos into captivating GIF QR codes effortlessly. Upload or record videos and experience the transformative power of our service. T-Rex QR offers customization options for QR codes, allowing you to choose colors, logos, and design elements that match your brand's style. This helps create unique and personalized QR codes. With our advanced QR code features, you can create dynamic and interactive codes that grab the attention of your customers and keep them engaged. By making it easy for your customers to access your content and make purchases, our QR codes can help increase conversions and drive sales for your business. Our innovative QR code features allow you to differentiate yourself from the competition and offer your customers something truly unique and valuable. I've been using T-Rex QR for my business and I'm blown away by the results. The animated QR codes are a game changer and have helped me increase engagement with my customers. Plus, the support team is always there to help with any questions or issues. Highly recommend. As an affiliate, I was hesitant to try a new QR code service, but T-Rex QR has exceeded my expectations. Not only are the features top-notch, but the support and resources provided by the team have been invaluable. I've already seen a boost in sales and revenue since partnering with T-Rex QR. Highly recommend. Flyer page regular QR generators only create a simple QR code image that you can download or share. They do not offer any option to design a flyer page that displays your QR code along with other information. T-Rex QR generator lets you create a flyer page that showcases your QR code in a more attractive and professional way. You can add your title, description, and call to action to your flyer page. You can also preview how your flyer page looks. Flyer backgrounds not applicable. T-Rex QR generator gives you the option to choose from a variety of backgrounds for your QR code image on the flyer page. You can select from solid colors or images. Flyer frames not applicable. T-Rex QR generator provides you with several frames for your QR code image on the flyer page. You can choose from different shapes, styles, and effects to make your QR code stand out. Animation QR regular QR generators do not support animation QR, which means you cannot create animated QR codes that can capture the attention of your audience and increase the scan rate. T-Rex QR generator supports animation QR, which means you can create animated QR codes that can capture the attention of your audience and increase the scan rate. You have many options to create animation QR, such as uploading your video to GIF QR, uploading image to GIF QR, choosing from pre-made GIFs to put on your QR code, recording video, and converting it to GIF QR, and taking a snapshot to GIF QR. Download type regular QR generators only allow you to download your QR code image in a few formats, such as PNG, JPG, or SVG. These formats may not be compatible with all devices or platforms. T-Rex QR generator supports animation QR, which means you can create animated QR codes that can capture the attention of your audience and increase the scan rate. You have many options to create animation QR, such as uploading your video to GIF QR, uploading image to GIF QR, choosing from pre-made GIFs to put on your QR code, recording video, and converting it to GIF QR, and taking a snapshot to GIF QR. T-Rex QR helps businesses create and promote coupons via QR codes. Customize and design coupons to fit your needs, then track their success. Sign up today and boost your sales. T-Rex QR makes video marketing easier by converting videos into scannable QR codes for mobile viewing. Customizable and trackable, it boosts video accessibility and sharing. Try T-Rex QR today. Event to QR streamlines event planning with a customizable QR code for ticketing, schedules, and maps. Organizers can also use it to offer exclusives, connect attendees, and gather feedback. Scan and join the fun. Share your treasured memories with style. T-Rex QR lets you create a stunning carousel of your fave pics. Upload your snaps and we'll craft a bespoke landing page. Add a custom backdrop or use your own image/video for an extra special touch. Relieve precious moments in a fun and personal way. Try it out. Share your audio with T-Rex QR. Upload your songs or messages, create a QR code, and watch your audience grow. Perfect for musicians and businesses alike. Analyze your results and reach new heights. Maximize your social media reach with T-Rex QR. Upload your profiles and generate a unique QR code that directs people to your pages. Track your code's performance and see which countries are engaging with your content. Sign up now and start growing your audience. Take your app to the next level with T-Rex QR. Generate unique QR codes that link to your app's pages, tracking your code's performance and analyzing user behavior. Boost your app's visibility and downloads with T-Rex QR. Boost your online reputation with Google reviews. Create QR codes linking to your review page, monitor performance, and build trust with potential customers. Simple and effective with T-Rex QR. Use T-Rex QR to get feedback from your customers. Create unique QR codes that link to a rating page. Track performance and analyze user behavior. Improve your business with T-Rex QR. Create QR codes for your gift cards with Gift to QR. Scan the QR code to redeem your gift and enjoy. Customize your QR codes with T-Rex QR. Boost your customer loyalty and satisfaction. Adam owns a popular restaurant and wanted to make it more convenient for customers. He discovered T-Rex QR, a website that helps create custom QR codes. Adam placed these QR codes around the restaurant, allowing customers to easily access the menu, make reservations, and see daily specials just by scanning the code with their smartphone. This made it easy for customers to find information about the restaurant, resulting in more reservations and positive feedback. Adam highly recommends T-Rex QR to other restaurant owners who want to make it easy for customers to connect with them. Hey there! As an Amazon reseller, I love using T-Rex QR, it's a total game changer. T-Rex the animated QR codes catch everyone's eye and make scanning super easy. Plus, it streamlines my marketing efforts and boosts sales plus customer satisfaction.